Okay, sagutin natin to, swing trader ka sir. Actually, if you are a full-time trader, these kinds of classification, mga terminologies na lang yan for you, no? So, actually, I'm a scalper, so quick in, quick out. But I do have other positions, no? So, like, sinasadya ko na it's on a different lot size and on different kind of position, no? So even though I'm trading the same asset, like I'm only trading gold, there are scalp trades and there are some trades na ay nga susundan natin yung swing. So we are doing trail stop, no? So we are maximizing that swing, that trend, para ma-cover yung mga ano natin, no? Yung mga previous drawdowns natin or mga previous yung mga inahabol natin, no? Or we are just maximizing yung trend kasi we know na it's strong, like the one we had way back when gold was 3,300, then it went up to 4,300. Then yun, may mga ganun tayong ano, no, may mga ganun tayong trade, no, talaga sinusundan talaga natin. And we are maximizing, we are just doing trail stops. So those the kind of trades na you would classify as a swing trader or any other, no. So but then we have other entries, like in a day we have different trades, no, so, like in a very lower in a lower time frame, no. So yun nga, scalping. So pero we are actually sticking to the scalping part, no. So itong swing or itong mga trend following na to, those are just opportunities na minamaximize natin kasi it's in our skill or nasa arsenal natin yan. So why not gamitin natin, no? So if there's an opportunity, then why not, di ba? So but still I want to stick with my with my strategy talaga with scalping. So yun, that's it.